All right, so here we're going to do a couple of problems, starting with this first one. So it says, what is the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a 27-gon? So to start off with, a 27-gon means that n, the number of sides, is equal to 27. Since we're looking for the sum and not any individual angle, we're going to use our sum of interior angles formula. So we have S, which is the sum of the measures of the interior angles, is equal to N, which we said was 27 minus 2 times 180. So we have 25 times 180, and it gives us 4,500 degrees. All right, second problem. It says, what is the measure of each interior angle of a regular 20-gon? So here this 20 represents n, which is the number of sides. Since we're looking for one or each interior angle, we are going to use our second equation here, which we'll use a different color, our interior angle, right? So we have our interior angle is equal to n, which in this case is 20 minus 2 times 180 over n, which in this case is 20. And then from here we simplify or put in the calculator. We have 18 180, and so in the calculator 18 times 180 gives us 3240, and we are going to divide that by 20, and that's going to give us the measurement of each interior angle, which in this case is going to be 162 degrees. Okay, so here's two more problems. So this one, it says the sum of the interior angles, so they're already telling me S equals 1620. They want to know how many sides, so n is equal to what, right? So here they're giving me the information for the sum of the interior angles, and we're looking for n. So I'm going to use this first equation knowing that S is 1620, and I'm going to solve for n. So yes, I could distribute that in there, but because it's multiplying with everything in the parentheses, I can go ahead and divide it over from both sides, right? So here, divide by 180, and then what you do to one side, we have to do to the opposite side. So 1620 divided by 180 leaves us with 9. And then we have n minus 2 because the 180s go away. We add 2, and we get n to be 11. So here we have how many sides does the polygon have? It has 11 sides. So moving on to the second question, it says, what is the measure of each exterior angle of a 20-gon? So n is equal to 20. Since we're looking for the exterior angle, only one, we're going to go ahead and use this equation here. So we have the exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n, which in this case is 20. And so we get that each exterior angle is equal to, so 360 divided by 20 gives us 18. So 18 degrees. Okay. Last set of problems. So this problem says if the interior angle, so here they're telling us that one interior angle measures 170 degrees. How many sides, so they're looking for n, does the polygon have? So in this case, because we're looking for n and they're giving us the measurement of one interior angle, we're going to head and use this last equation here. And all I'm doing is substitute in what I need, or sorry, what I know, and looking for what I need. So here we get 170 because that's my interior angle. They're telling me that my interior angle is 170, and so we simplify. So 360 and then 180 minus 170 is 10, and so we get n to be 36.